This is the Nürburgring of kart tracks, and today I'm challenging my girlfriend B,
Hi.
who lost the last challenge we did on this channel. So today I'm giving her a chance to redeem herself, and not one, but 2 kart tracks today.
Let's see how I can do.
So if you look down there, you'll notice there's a massive banked corner, something I have never seen at a go-kart track before, at least not at this level. And on top of that, we've got a track that's both indoor and outdoor. So hopefully today that means I can apply all the skills I've learned at various outdoor and indoor tracks all in one to hopefully, well, beat B.
So here's how today's challenge is going to work. If you've watched the last video B was in, you'll remember that she ended up just narrowly losing the challenge on points, but she really impressed me by doing a lap time just 1.8 seconds off my best lap time. Honestly, that's not bad for a rookie.
So today I want to give her the chance to get lower than that 1.8 seconds at a very similarly length track. For her to win this track, she needs to get less than 1.8 seconds, but if she doesn't manage to do that this time, she'll have another track later in the video to try and redeem herself.
And we have a forfeit, so stay tuned to see what that's like.
Oh God, I'm not looking forward to this one. Ready? Nice setup. Okay, here we go. We've got the track all to ourselves, indoor and outdoor, and one of the gnarliest corners in all of karting. Ooh, it's slippery.
Okay, let's see if we can keep up. Oh my God.
It's a little bit wet outside. They were kind of hesitant to let us drive out here, but oh my God, look at this corner. Oh my God, that is so cool.
I need to keep up with him.
Oh, I really don't know which way this track goes around, so I'm going to try not to kill myself. Oh, it's pretty fast indoor section here.
You can feel that the karts are pretty cold.
Big brake zones. This is going to be a real challenge. B has to try and get within 1.8 seconds of my lap time, since that's how far off she was at Brighton karting a few videos ago. So I think she's got her work cut out for her, because this is a really tricky indoor and outdoor circuit.
Okay, so we're just doing one outdoor section.
Oh, look at this corner. This is so cool. Whoa! I don't know if being down low is better or being up high.
This is crazy.
Oh, a bit too early. Come on. Oh, I love this track already. Oh, it's faster here. Oh, I'm going way too deep in some of these brake zones. I need to get more tired. Oh my God. Oh, it's cold.
My tires are definitely super cold, but I don't think I've got the time to... Oh my gosh, I'm pretty far off.
Now, if B doesn't manage to get within 1.8 seconds of this track, she also has one more track we're going to
So... Oh,
later today. Oh, she crashed. Oh, I hope she's okay.
okay, but can I push back? No.
Oh, B.
Okay, big crash. Thank you. What a pain.
Wow, I really like this layout. Honestly thought the indoor section was going to be a bit boring looking at it from upstairs, but I am pleasantly proven wrong.
So I need to try and get within 1.8 seconds of Cameron, but honestly, at this rate, I don't know if I'm gonna get there.
Need to improve my line through there. Not a lot of time to learn this track. Only 12 minutes per session, and we only had time for one session. I really should probably shut up and drive. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to do the forfeit challenge, which is trying a very, very nasty Dutch licorice.
Oh, I was looking at the time too much.
I wonder how B is getting on right now.
No, I'm so slow. This is so bad. I'm gonna have to do the forfeit, which I don't think is gonna be particularly fun. Also, look at this. Is that wire? Because I feel like if you went straight into that, that would be crazy.
Oh, I'll never get tired of that banking. That's so cool for a kart track. All right, I'm getting cleaner, I'm getting more consistent, and I'm catching B as well. Oh, still way too deep there.
Oh, he's already catching up. I'm so far off. I'm so far off.
Oh, I wonder if B enjoys that banking as much as I do.
That corner really is the Nürburgring of kart tracks. Wow.
Oh, we're catching B. Let's see, how are we gonna overtake her? Should we scare her? Should we bump her? Oh, she's defending. Oh, switchback. Oh, she could have had me there, but she gave up.
I'm not sure how it comes across on camera, but this is one of those rare cases where the karts are perfectly suited and balanced for the track layout. If you watch closely, I'm just perfectly on the edge of oversteer in all of these indoor corners. I'm also just on the edge of locking up the brakes into the big brake zones. That is so refreshing to see because many tracks that are new these days are watering down the layouts to reduce crashes and liability. But it's tracks like these that are going to be building the next generation of professional drivers. Also, it's worth noting that we're not driving on the full version of this track. There's actually another outdoor section on the other side of the building that was unfortunately closed off because it was too wet. So I'm definitely gonna have to come back another time to try the full thing.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, what a mistake. I'm making this guy run so much. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
No problem. Yep.
Thank you.
Whew. God, these karts are pretty quick too. They're 270 cc's, which on outdoor would maybe be a little bit underpowered, but in indoor, oh, it's a good bit of fun. Oh, braking's still too late. That needs to be a relatively high minimum speed corner.
Oh wow, I just did a 1 minute 23. That is shocking.
I definitely do not want to be eating that licorice later. Oh my god. I hate licorice as it is, but I'm told this Dutch licorice is a different level of disgusting. In the last video, B lost the challenge and she ended up having to eat this insanely hot sauce. So I think we're gonna have to make sure she loses this one again today. Now make sure you watch to the end of this video because we're gonna be going to another track which is equally as crazy. And I'm actually super looking forward to checking that one out.
Okay, 53.4. I think might just be my best time.
But yeah, B's definitely going to be getting some laps in today, that's for sure. Now, if you're wondering how B is this good considering she never really races, B was actually the editor for the Karting Handbook, my online rental karting course that teaches you how to be a faster rental karting driver, and she literally did most of the post-production work on that course. So she's absorbed a ton of my own knowledge. I own racing knowledge from both race cars and from rental cars, and she's applying that knowledge fairly well, as you can see. Someone who's probably only been in a go-kart a handful of times.
Okay, I've got a chance to follow him once again, but I don't really know. I don't really know if it's going to make a difference at this point.
Now we're very lucky to be able to try this outdoor section today because they don't let you drive if it's even just a little bit wet, unlike UK, for example, where they don't care. It slicks in the wet, it could be torrential, they're going to let you drive. That's apparently not the case here in Belgium. Come on. There's a lot more time in it. I just need to put all the corners together. I like that this track has a lot of big brake zones as well, which means in a racing environment, this would be great for overtaking.
Also, it's super cold right now in Belgium. It's like 3 or 4 degrees, I think. And they don't make you wear suits here. And I'm pretty cold, I'm not gonna lie.
Unlike most tracks that are good for racing, this one is actually pretty fun to qualify on too. Yeah, easily, it's gonna be one of my top tracks in the world for sure.
Oh, my lines are absolutely shocking.
But this banking seals the deal.
I can barely feel my fingers. I guess I'm just going so fast that the wind chill is pretty crazy. Hi, Cameron. Oh, that's the end of the session. Oh, 53.2. I will take it.
And I think that's going to be checkered flag. What a track. But the question is, was I 1.8 seconds faster than B? I'm not so sure. Even if I was, she still has another chance to redeem herself. She only has to beat me once. How was that?
Oh my god. That was crazy.
Oh my gosh. Wow. The fact that you were driving like that and you weren't, well, you did crash, I guess, once or twice, but you crashed twice. Yeah. Oh, good job. Great. Hey, that means you were trying.
Yeah, true.
Oh man, that's I've never seen fogging that bad.
It's crazy.
Oh my god. Well, I feel for you on that one. Oh my god, this is how cold it was out there. So the results for track number 1 are in. B did a respectable lap time of 53.25, but unfortunately for her, I did a whopping 5.8 seconds faster with a 47.46. Yikes. But I'm not out of the woods yet because it's time for track number 2. This is in Kart in Perth, Belgium, and just like Goodwill, this is both indoor and outdoor. Now in the summer, they run a massive 1 kilometer version of the circuit, but tonight we'll be running on a slightly smaller configuration that honestly doesn't look any easier.
Oh my god, this place looks insane. I'm looking forward to this. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Oh, doesn't this place look amazing?
Yeah, it's freezing.
It is actually freezing right now.
So,
Because both these tracks are both indoor and outdoor, it is not any warmer inside than it is outside. I mean, you can see just out there, it is freezing. I mean, look at my breath. Oh, let's do it. Wow, you look like a real race car driver.
professional Lewis Hamilton, I'm coming for your job.
Now, because this track is quite a bit longer, B's new target is to actually earn a lap time of 3.6 seconds off my lap time or less. She's definitely a lot more warmed up, so now is really the moment of truth for us both.
Okay, outlap here at Kart in Belgium. This is an indoor and outdoor track, multi-level on the indoor section. And actually in the summer, they run an even longer version of this circuit outdoor. I did not expect the corner to be there. Oh, I should probably follow someone who actually knows where to... Woo! It's actually wet outside. There's a couple of subscribers here who are locals and are very fast locals at that, so getting pole position is not going to be easy. I'm told a fast lap time is anything under 1 minute, so that is my target for this session, but I need to get temperature in to even try to be able to do that. Of course, the real challenge here is to beat B by 3.6 seconds because it's the longer track. Her goal has been doubled, but already this is feeling like a super technical track. So many switchbacks, high speed. It's actually wet outside. So for B to get within 3.6 seconds, I think is going to be a real difficult challenge. But she's definitely going to want to complete it because we've got a pretty nasty forfeit later at the end of this video. Okay, behind me is one of my subscribers. I think I'm going to let him around. Only 12-minute session, so I need every bit of help I can get. Maybe we can do a bit of battling as well. He's going to probably pull for me. But hopefully by the end of the session, maybe I can start to catch him. But I don't know if I'm that fast. Wow, yeah, you really got to lock up the brakes to get rear temperature in. Oh wow, he was so fast through there. Jesus Christ, so slippery in this outdoor. It's actually more slippery out here than it is inside, I think, just because of the temperature. The thing is with tire temperature, especially in these hard compound rental carts, is really the faster you go, the more you push on the tire, the more you're going to get out of them. The more temperature you're going to get to them, the more grip you're going to get. So you kind of have to abuse them a little bit in the beginning, and it'll net neutral, well, net positive at the end of the race.
I'm enjoying this track more than I did the last one, so maybe that means maybe that's a good sign and it means I'm gonna win this challenge.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
The session earlier today was just a little warm-up, let's say. This is the true challenge. I need to stop going on the acceleration down that ramp because I think I'm kind of spinning every time.
I wonder how B's getting on back there. I think this one's a lot harder than the last one we went to. Definitely requires some more bravery as well through this section, through the damp patches. I don't think I'm getting pole position this session, but Really all that matters for this challenge is that I'm 3.6 seconds ahead of B. But I love the indoor and outdoor concepts of these tracks because you get to learn multiple different types of surfaces. So it's like getting 2 or 3 tracks in one. We're catching this guy. I'm guessing he's going slow so he can battle with us? I don't know. Oh, maybe I am quick. We're catching him through the traffic. This could be a bit of fun. I should be focused on lap time, but I'm not going to be one to give up a fight. Oh, too much entry speed. Really got to prioritize exits in a lot of these corners. I haven't lapped B yet, so that's a good sign.
God, I was just saying it would be pretty tragic if I had been lapped because it's a minute-long track. But I'm pretty sure I just saw Cameron in the background. And the other 2 fast guys that are out on track right now.
Really got to get the karts rotated a lot by mid-corner. Oh, that could be B. I see blonde hair. I think it is her.
I wasn't gonna let him go, but then that guy was right there, and I already might get in trouble for having my camera, so at least this way I can follow Cameron's lines, maybe? But I think I've already lost him, pretty much.
Kind of a physical track, actually. Not the worst I've ever been to, but definitely get some calories burned, that's for sure.
This track's actually slippery in a fun way. I'm not sure about how I feel about the last track because it was super slippery, but kind of not in a fun way. But maybe that's just because I've not been in a kart for ages. Now I'm kind of, I don't want to say got the hang of it, but at least I've been in a kart a bit more recently, I guess.
I don't think tucking's gonna help me, but may as well try it. Sorry for the bump, but... Oh, that was a good lap too. All right. Well, hey, he's not gapping us, so... That's a good sign, I guess. I don't think red flag here means red flag. I think it means maybe that's the end of session, potentially.
I clearly need to brush up on my skills in the Karting Handbook.
Yep, I think that's it. Wow, what a track. Well, let's see where the results are, and let's see who's actually going to be doing this forfeit. I hope it's not me.
In the end, it was one of my subscribers who took P1, then I finished in second with a 1 minute .26, but it was B who finished in a rather impressive P4, but a full 8 seconds a lap slower than me. So guys, that means it's official. I have won the challenge yet again. Now it is time for her punishment.
All right, moment of truth. B's punishment is to eat suiker virgi... I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, but essentially it's a Dutch delicacy that we're told we're probably going to find absolutely disgusting.
Wish me luck.
So essentially salty licorice. So let's see how you like this one.
Let's open it up. It literally smells like licorice, you're so dramatic.
I hate licorice.
Bottoms up. It's not as salty as I thought.
Oh, you seem to, well, you don't really seem to like it, but is it worse than the hot sauce?
I don't hate it. The hot sauce was worse.
Okay, well.
This isn't gonna make me cry.
It would make me cry. I'm not trying it up.
It's unusual, but I don't hate it.
Okay, well, it looks
I
like
don't
next
hate
time
it.
we're gonna need a more serious forfeit challenge
Because next time Cameron's gonna lose.
Okay.
So
We'll
it
see
needs to
about
be
that.
really serious.
Yeah. Well, if you enjoyed this one, make sure to hit the like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, and we'll be back with another YouTube video very, very soon. So stay tuned.